Every day, thousands of students face choices that can shape their future.
Kabilang ang 2 estudyante sa 5 nasakote.
Ginawang Shabu Laboratory ang isang apartment sa Cebu City.
Nasa 4,000 nalulong sa illegal na droga sa Metro Manila ang sumuko para sumailalim sa drug rehabilitation program sa Camp Bagong Diwa sa lungsod po ng Taguig.
School life is more than just grades and exams. It's about growing, learning, and building your future. But along the way, there are distractions, temptations, and vices. From substance abuse to gambling and internet addiction, these habits start small but grow fast. These choices can cost your health, your relationships, and your future.
I thought it was just one day, one time, but it became a routine after the day. Everyone else was doing it. I didn't want to feel that now I just feel like.
My son Daniel is 13. He was bright, ready, full of life until drugs took hold of him. It started small, but it quickly became an addiction. First breaking, watching child disappear into something confused. The fear, the sleepless night, the guilt I changed it.
But it's never too late to break free, to make better choices, to ask for help. You're not alone. Talk to someone, support your friends, and be different, and do not be the problem.
You weren't born to be controlled by a habit. You were made to take control of your life.
The best way to predict your future is to create it. What feels good for a moment can cost you a lifetime, so choose wisely.
You were not born to repeat cycles. You were born to break them.
Together, let's raise awareness and let people know